Troy was just telling us how he would climb formations and rocks like this in Yosemite. There's a cable over there, and he says that's about 1 pitch.
That's all. One thing wrong on it.
Do what now?
I was telling you how there's only one little bitty piece of vegetation up there. It looks like a little tree up there. See a little twig?
Yeah. At the top.
Well, hey, let's go like that. Really good holes where you can put your feet up, you can climb, put your foot in a pocket like that. It's perfect.
Oh, son, I got my finger on somebody's gum.
Yeah, you don't want to do that. And then just make a route, make your way up.
Man, it don't look, when you're looking at it like this, this looks terrible.
You know, this particular like climber, this would be considered really easy. See how it has holes? You put your whole foot right here, your whole foot in there, your whole foot here. This would be an easy climb. It would be no problem. Matt would do something like this without a rope.
Really? I would never try nothing like that.
He's climbed 6 pitches like that with no rope.
I would never even think of that.
If I had gloves, I'd do it with just the gloves with no harness. Just grab that cable and go. And this would be more your level right here, Dave. Drive through there. You go up through there.
Didn't he say this is all volcano rock here?
Yeah.
So it's harder than that sandstone, ain't it?
What volcano is it?
I don't know what that pipe's for. We could have crossed over the dam and went into Arizona, but we decided we'd come on back here and go to the gift shop. That's actually the road over the dam there that you see them vehicles on. There's a motorhome going across there.
Damn it.
We was looking at that before from a different angle.
I'm gonna have to go. I think next weekend we're gonna. They saw fireworks coming off the dam.
It's very hot right here. I don't know what the temperature is. I seen the thermometer a little while ago. No, it wasn't close to me, so I didn't really get it.
What if I believe you just now, and I go out there, and of course, I'm not going to have some.
Well, we're going into the gift shop. So